The last part I'm going to demonstrate on Inventor is how to do drawing files. So for drawing files, it's important that you put the front view in the right spot, and we're going to do front, top, side, and 3D view. And then we're also going to make sure that we fully dimension each of our parts. So I'm going to go back into Inventor. I already have a drawing file open from my exploded view. I can go back up top where it says place views and add in a new sheet, and I can put all of my drawings on this one file. So I'm going to come back home, and let's go ahead and start looking through the parts I want to do multi-views of. So I'm going to do one of my more complicated ones. Maybe I'll choose this purple part. So if I look at this purple part, I need to choose what my best front view is. Currently my front view is this L, but I don't like that there's a lot of stuff happening on the other side that I can't see. Those are going to show up as hidden lines. So I'm going to rotate that around. I think I would rather my front view be the L, but I can actually see this cube. In order to force this to be the front view, I'm going to come up here on the cube where it currently says back. I'm going to right click, and I'm going to set current view as the front view. So now that is my front view. I'm going to go ahead and save that. Come back to my drawing file. Again, I'm going to start up here on the top left where it says base. I'm going to click there. Now that I've added my base, if you notice, it automatically puts my front view right down here in the front left where I want it. My scale currently is at 2:1. I'm going to make it a little bigger. I'm going to go 3:1. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. So that's my front view. Then I'm going to hit projected to get the rest of my views. I'm going to come click on front, come straight up above it. There's my top view. Come over here to the right, and then there's my isometric view. I'm just clicking each time, and then I'm coming here, and that will be my side view. I'm going to left click one more time. Once I have all three of those boxes where I want them, I'm going to right click and hit create, and it does the complete drawing for me, complete with every object line we need and the hidden line. Next thing I'm going to do real quick is come up here to this isometric view. When I can see the red box around it, I'm going to double click. I'd like to make that one shaded, so I'm going to click that little box right there that says shaded, and I'm going to hit OK. That'll give me some color on that one. The next thing it said I needed to do was dimension those, so I'm going to go annotate, dimension. I need overall height, so that's from the very top to the very bottom. And I'm going to put it over here. Okay, next thing I need is the little chunks of height, so I'm going to get this one right here, pop it over. Okay, so I've got both my heights I need. Next, I'm going to go width. That's all the way from the left to the right. I'm going to put it up top there. If I look across my width, I've got 1, 2, 3 little pieces, so I need 2 of those. So I'm going to grab this one, and then I'm going to come up top here and grab this one. That takes care of my widths. The last thing I have to deal with is my depth. So I'm going to put that up here on this top view. I could have also put it over here on the side view. On the depth, there's 1, 2 little pieces, so I need 1 of those. So I'm going to go ahead and place that. That would be a fully dimensioned part file. So I have that one done. I go back to place views, click a new sheet, and I can do my next 5 that same way.